Addie and Bonnie, and we're doing a video on how to make a sandwich. So first you need to get out a plate to do the sandwich on. So we have our plate, and now we need our bread. We're using honey wheat because that's what we like, and it's like really good. And now we need.
Is that in the bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Directions.
But let's get a close-up on this cheese and ham right there. Oh yeah.
We need.
That's some nice cheese and ham. Oh, and there's a Miracle Whip.
So you need like mayo or Miracle Whip in our case. Cheese and ham for the sandwich we are doing. Put on a little bit.
So first,
Put on just a dab of Miracle Whip. Make on a nice tender part.
that's some nice Miracle Whip we got there.
Yep. Not too much.
Just to cover the bread surface.
And then on the other side, we'll put our ham. We are using deli sliced Hillshire Farm ham. You like eating it? Same here.
Now, we add cheese. We're using Colby Jack. Now, you might want parent supervision, but our parents have told us that we can use sharp objects. Don't try this at home. I can't slice very well.
Do you want me to try?
No, I don't have to do it.
I wonder what my dad is.
Can I just have a roller thing? Do you have another one?
I
A
think
rolly?
probably not.
There's a rolly on it, and it's hard.
There. Good one shut.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Get some cheese.
I think that's enough cheese. Yes? I don't know.
Okay, we'll cut one for us. And then, move this other piece of bread with the meat on it to the middle. And then take the bread and go kapowie!
There you go.
Make a nice cut.
Straight down the middle.
And you've got our ham and cheese sandwich with a dab of milk.